There's something undeniably charming about the old money aesthetic. It's a timeless, refined style that exudes both sophistication and understated luxury. But what exactly is this aesthetic? The old money aesthetic isn't just about wealth, it's about heritage and a rich cultural legacy. It symbolizes an appreciation for quality over quantity, for the enduring over the ephemeral. It's a style that's less about flashy logos and more about the subtle details, the perfect tailoring, the luxurious fabrics. It's about dressing with a quiet confidence, knowing that true style doesn't scream, but whispers. And what's more, it's a style that transcends fleeting trends, making it a timeless choice. It's not just an aesthetic, it's a lifestyle, a statement, a silent nod to a bygone era of elegance and class. So, are you ready to dive into the world of old money aesthetic? Let's unravel the essentials. The old money aesthetic isn't about flaunting wealth, but rather displaying an understated elegance that's rooted in quality and tradition. At the cornerstone of this aesthetic resides the well-fitted suit. This isn't just any suit picked up off the rack, but one that's been meticulously tailored to fit your body flawlessly. It's about selecting a suit made from superior materials, one constructed to endure and age gracefully alongside you. The signature of a well-tailored suit isn't just its fit, however, it's also about the fine details, the cut of the lapel, the placement of the pockets, the lining of the jacket. Each component is a testament to the craftsmanship invested in creating the piece. Beyond the suit, the old money aesthetic also upholds accessories. Imagine leather brogues and Oxford shoes, silk ties and pocket squares, and timeless wristwatches. These are staples that have withstood the test of time. Ones that provide a hint of sophistication without clamoring for attention. They're accessories that round off your look, yet never overshadow the man donning them. In terms of clothing, the old money aesthetic gravitates towards timeless pieces. To forget essentials such as luxurious cashmere sweaters, refined tweed jackets, and elegant leather loafers. This suggests choosing attire that's classic, not trendy. It's about picking items that have been in style for decades, if not centuries, and will persist in being fashionable for years ahead. This could be a crisp white button-down shirt, a pair of well-fitted chinos, a navy blue blazer, or the added cashmere, tweed, and leather essentials. These are pieces that you can wear today, tomorrow, and 10 years from now and still appear impeccably stylish. When it comes to color, the old money aesthetic favors a palette that leans towards neutrals. This includes shades of navy, gray, white, and brown. These colors are versatile, effortless to combine, and radiate an aura of quiet confidence. Remember, each piece in your wardrobe should recount a story of quality, not quantity. The old money aesthetic isn't about owning the most, but rather possessing the best. It's about investing in items that are well-crafted, timeless, and ultimately, a reflection of the man wearing them. Now that we've covered the basics, it's time to learn how to incorporate the old money aesthetic into your everyday style. So how do we bring this old money aesthetic to life, you ask? The first step lies in investing in quality over quantity. You see, old money aesthetic isn't about having a closet overflowing with the latest trends. Instead, it's about having a collection of high-quality, well-made pieces that stand the test of time. Think classic tailored blazers, crisp white shirts, and well-fitted trousers. These are the sartorial staples that form the backbone of an old money wardrobe. Next, let's talk about the importance of timeless designs. It's about choosing a classic navy blazer over a trendy neon one, or a pair of well-made leather shoes over a flashy pair of sneakers. It's about sticking to a neutral color palette. Think browns, blacks, whites, and blues. These colors are not only versatile, but they also exude an air of sophistication and class that's central to the old money aesthetic. Lastly, but certainly not least, maintaining a well-groomed appearance is key. This doesn't mean you need to be in a three-piece suit at all times. Rather, it's about ensuring that your clothes are always clean, well-ironed, and fit you perfectly. It's about keeping your hair neatly styled and your facial hair, if any, well-trimmed. It's about carrying yourself with an air of poise and confidence, because at the end of the day, the old money aesthetic is as much about attitude as it is about clothing. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to mastering the old money aesthetic. And there you have it. The old money aesthetic, a timeless style that's all about sophistication, quality, and understated luxury.